Hello and welcome to this video. So today we are going to discuss about the configuration which are used in the equipment creation. So in my previous video which I have created on the equipment, so as you can see, so we have a lot of data which is coming from the configuration, such as this object type and this planner group. Okay, so a lot of things are coming from the configuration. So one by one, we are going to see the different configuration which are used in the equipment creation. So new screen I will open, go to SPRO, and I have created one separate document for it. I will share you this whole the document. I will give the link in the description to download this. Okay, I will go to SPRO, reference IMG, plant maintenance and customer service, uh, master data, technical object, equipment, and equipment category. Okay, so we have different category of equipment which are available in our plant. Okay, so this M for machinery, P for the production tool. Okay, so I will just take this M and I will copy as, and I will enter it for U, and I will take it as machine and utility equipments, and I will copy it. Okay, so this utility equipment I have created, and I will save my configuration. Okay, so this was the one of the configuration which we have done. We will check the configuration IE01. Okay, so this equipment category. So when we will check it, so this utility equipment, so this configuration we have just made. Okay, the second configuration which are we are going to see is the object type. Okay, so in your plant you have different type of object. So when you create the equipment, you are assigning the object type. Okay, I will go to this general data and this object type. I will search for object type. So these are the different object type which are available in the configuration, which are already configured. This pump, dryer, gearbox. Okay, so we are going to create some of the object type. Okay, I will enter SPRO, SAP reference IMG, plant maintenance and customer service, master data, basic settings, and I will just close this basic setting, and technical object I will open, and general data. Okay, so define type of technical object. So we will execute this, and these are the different object type which are maintained in the system. Okay, so uh, I will enter 1500, 1501, 1502. Okay, so heat heat exchangers, ovens, and rolling mills. So these are the object type which I have created. Okay, and I will save the configuration, and I will come back and I will again save it. Okay, so data is already saved. Go to new screen IE01, and when I will now search for, so I have maintained this heat exchanger, oven and rolling mill. Okay, so these are the configuration which I have just made. Okay, I will cancel it. Okay, and go to the next configuration. Okay, authorization group. We go to the SAP back and authorization group. Okay, authorization group. I will again go to the IE03 and I will check for a equipment. So here you will find the authorization group, which group is responsibility for that particular object. Okay, so these are coming from this configuration. Okay, I will not maintain the new one. I will just go uh, sorry. Okay, so you will find define authorization groups for the technical object. I will execute it, and these are the entries. You can make the new entries as per your requirement. Okay, so this is the authorization group. Okay, so you will find it under the technical object general data and define authorization group for the technical object. Okay, define the plant section. So you have different plant section in your company, and in the location tab you have the plant section. So currently I have only one plant section created. Okay, D01. So how we can create the new one? So under this same setting, master data, general data, and the define the plant section. Okay, I will go to the position and I will select my plant. Okay, so for 1806 I have only D01. I will copy it, and D02 we will create TTR shop floor, and we will save this configuration and we will check it if now it is getting fetch or not. Okay, so this D02, this is now available. We have just maintained this configuration. Okay, so this was the plant section. ABC indicator. Okay, so depending upon the criticality of your machine, you will define the ABC indicator. Okay, so the ABC indicator, first we will check if it is available or not. Okay, so ABC is already maintained. Okay, in case if it is not maintained, so from this particular configuration define ABC indicator, we can define the criticality. Okay, so this is like object A B C. So I will change the description: high critical, medium critical, and low critical. Okay, I will say my configuration, go again and check it. Okay, so now this is maintain high, medium and low, ABC. So this ABC indicator you can maintain from here. Okay, as per your requirement you can also do the new entries. Okay, going for the next, so define the planner group. Okay, so you have different planner group which is responsible for uh, creating the maintenance plan. Okay, for example, you have different section in your company, and the different people are responsible to conduct the maintenance and do the maintenance planning. Okay, so inside a plant you can maintain the different planner group. Okay, so from where we will maintain these planner groups. Okay, so this is the defined planner group uh, under the master data defined planner group. Okay, I will check for my plant. So which planner group I have. Okay, so we have already mechanical, electrical, central maintenance, utility planner, and building planner. Okay, so these are the I have already created. Okay, go to position and 1806. So these are the planner which I have created. I will remove this entry because it is a blank entry. Okay, I will copy it T05 and T06 general maintenance planner. Okay, and I will copy it and save my configuration. Okay, go back to another screen. Okay, now I will search. So this general maintenance planner. Okay, this is now appearing. Okay, so this is how you can maintain the different configuration behind the equipment creation. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel and share with your friend. Okay, if you are doing the preparation of enterprise asset management and material management, you can follow me. You can do comment on my video. And thanks for supporting me. Thank you.